Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on managing your products in Selldone. In this guide, we'll show you how to delete products, whether one at a time or in bulk, and how to restore them if needed. The process is straightforward, just like managing files in Windows. To delete products, simply right-click on the item and select Delete. After that, simply click on Delete. In Selldone, deleting a product is not permanent. You can easily restore it whenever needed. Or if you want to delete several products at once, you can press right-click on any item, then tap Select All Products. Again, press right-click on any product, it doesn't matter which product. Click on Delete All to remove all products within this main category. Please note that if there are products in multiple categories, you'll need to bulk delete them separately for each category. On this page, only these 3 products will be deleted. Click Delete to remove these 3 products. As you can see, those products are no longer visible. However, you can easily restore them if needed. Click on the 3 dots and select Show Deleted to view the deleted products. Now, if you want to restore a specific product, click on it to open the product dashboard. Now click Restore. As you can see, the product has reappeared successfully. Now you're all set to keep your product catalog organized and up to date. If you have any questions or want more tips on using Selldone, check out our other tutorials. Happy selling!